Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be talking about how you can change your background by just clicking a button or changing size of your character or make him talk in text, etc. So let's get started. This is gonna be a long video or yeah. So first click in this sector called looks, then you'll see many blocks here. First drag this block. It will make your character say anything you like. You can change the text and time, anything you like for a specific amount of time you choose. So I'll make him say hi, how are you for 2 seconds in text. So he'll say hi, how are you for 2 seconds. And the second box makes your character say hello, anything you like for infinite amount of time. So they make him say Kaisan and he will say for a long time, and then these blocks will make him think, like he will have a thinking bubble and he will think anything for 2 seconds or a specific amount of. You can also change the text, like he will think, like he will have a thinking bubble. Yeah, so it is the fourth block is the same as the third block, but is also infinite amount of time as the second block. So these blocks will make your it a switch costume. Like if you don't know what is costume, first you have click here called costumes. Beside the code, the costumes, you will have 2 costumes. You can also make infinite amount of them. You can also customize anything of the body part of your character. You can also delete them by just clicking here. You can also duplicate them by just clicking here, and you can also color them. Like for example, I will color them into red. Pick the color, then black, like picking the paintbrush. So also pick the fill bucket. So I'll make them full red. Yeah, will turn full red. And you can also make lines, squares, etc. And yeah, this block makes your character switch costumes. Like if you have costume 1 on, it will switch to costume 2 like this. If I make him, you can pick the costume by just clicking in this triangle button and picking the first costume, click there, then he will switch to the first costume. Then this is the exact same, but it will make you switch to the next costume. And the first costume's next costume is the second costume, so you switch to second costume like so. And if you want to change your background, if you have 2 or 3 like this, I have 2 right now, I can make him change background like so. Switch background to blue sky 2 and switch background to Arctic, my second background like so. Yeah, and next backdrop is the same as the next costume, just in serial. So I have 3 backdrops. The first is this, second is this, and the third is this. So it will circle on. Okay, and you can also change your character size by 10 or -10. If you do -10, the character will shrink like so. If you do only 10, +10, it will increase the size. And you can also set size to a specific percentage. So if I do 50%, he will shrink to 50% of his original size. So yeah, that's it for today. If you want more videos like this, and in the next video I'll show you how to make animations of your character by using this block that make your character switch costume. So bye guys. and please like and share and subscribe so you can get more videos like this. Bye guys.